Hey, what's up guys, it's Satrix here. Today I have some quick and great updates for you guys regarding PlayStation 3 emulation on Android. Now, as you might have heard that Vectras Emulator developers, Vectras, which was an open source Windows emulator for Android, their developers were working on an RPCS3 PS3 emulator for Android devices, and in today's video we know that this PS3 emulator will be called as Andstation Ps3 Emulator for Android, and finally we already have an app dedicated to running PS3 games on Android. So basically this is the screenshot by the main developer of the RPCS3 Android port. Basically you might be able to see that it will be called as Andstation 3, but it will have the components of RPCS3 emulator. Now how it will work is basically the developers will be taking help of the Wine based operating systems where even the latest RPCS3 version works properly, and the developer will be optimizing their Andstation PS3 emulator, which is actually going to be a bootstrap. Basically you will need additional assets like the Box86, Box64 and the RPCS3 emulator itself, which you need to dump on your Android device. Everything will be provided in the app itself, so setting it up will be very easy and you will be able to run the original RPCS3 emulator on your Android devices with the help of Andstation PS3 emulator. Now it might seem very complicated for now, but the developers are working towards it to make sure that it will be very easy to set up and run. For example, in this screenshot you will be able to see that to run Andstation 3 or especially the RPCS3 emulator on Android, you will need to complete the packages. For example, we need Tiger VNC, we need Fluxbox, we also need Box64, RPCS3 itself. So once all of these requirements have been met and been set up on the Andstation 3 emulator, you just have to run it. As usual, there will be an play button provided in Andstation 3. It will automatically open RPCS3 and you will be able to enjoy the PS3 emulation on your Android devices. Now note, this is not going to be an direct PlayStation 3 emulation, which means it doesn't have native support. So obviously the FPS will not be that great, but the developers will obviously add a lot of optimizations to make sure that it runs at its maximum best performance possible. And as it will be Wine based, so this is a bit disappointing, I understand, but nonetheless we'll be easily able to set up and run RPCS3 emulator. Whereas if we just go ahead and try running RPCS3 now, then it will lead lot of waiting time, lot of setting up to do and lot of settings to apply. Instead of doing all of that, the developers will provide a single package which will be very useful, and I'll be uploading a video talking about how to set up RPCS3 emulator on Android devices with the help of Dark OS emulator pretty soon. If you want to watch that, then let's hit 200 likes on today's video, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on all notification, as I'll keep you guys up to date with all the latest updates and news regarding the Andstation PS3 emulator for Android. So guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this project. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.